Cracking the can, using can for permission in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle a very common, yet versatile, English modal verb, can. We'll focus on one of its specific uses, which is to express permission. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently use can to ask for, give, and talk about permission. Let's jump right in. When we talk about can, we often think about ability or possibility. But did you know that can also has a polite way of asking for or giving permission? Here's an example. Can I use your phone? In this sentence, the speaker is asking permission to use someone else's phone. The structure is simple. You start with can, followed by the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and then the base form of the main verb. So the formula is can plus subject plus verb, base form. Using can to ask for permission is quite straightforward. For instance, if you're at a friend's house and you want to ask if you can have a glass of water, you'd say, "Can I have a glass of water?" When responding to these questions, you can use can to give permission. A positive response could be, "Yes, you can." For a negative response, you might say, "No, you can't." Remember, while can is informal and used in casual conversations, it is also polite. It is appropriate to use in both formal and informal situations. Can also be used in statements to talk about what is allowed or not allowed. For example, "You can park your car here," or "You can't smoke in this area." The latter example uses the negative form, can't, to express prohibition. The structure here is similar to asking questions. For affirmative statements, it's subject plus can plus verb, base form. For negative statements, you add not after can to form can't, subject plus can't plus verb, base form. There you have it, the modal verb can in all its permission-giving glory. Remember, can is a versatile tool in your English toolbox. So go ahead, practice using can to ask for and give permission. You can do it. We hope this video has helped clarify the use of can for permission. Stay tuned for more English grammar lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.